guys, welcome back to K-Bub. And today we're going to be going on a nature walk. Let's go. I'm going with my sister, by the way, so she can be stupid with me. We're doing this because a good friend of the Fortnite squad told me it's good to be one with nature. Shout out to Max, by the way. Want to walk? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Gosh, I found a leaf.
No! No!
We have to be one with nature.
No!
No?
No.
So quick nibble. Okay, good. Finding wildlife on our walk. It's great. It's a perfectly good bag of them. It's not even open. Little Bite brownies. We have made a awesome discovery. I have no idea why we're going on this nature walk, but it's a nice day. So the $2 million house right there. I looked online. I didn't tell my sister you can't find a pet woodpecker, but she keeps saying that you can have a pet woodpecker, right, Anna?
I did not like chocolate milk.
Which one of your friends has a pet woodpecker?
Cole, Emmy, Cole,
Okay, just
Emmy,
yeah,
and
we'll just say
Hattie.
all of his names. How are these islands, sister? They don't have a woodpecker.
No.
Violating nature's rules. There's plastic. You have to save the turtles. Look, cannibals. How many turtles do they want to kill? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 turtles is a lot of turtles, people. No offense, but that house kind of looks like a cow.
Cow?
Turtles?
No. Just slow, Caleb.
No, turtles are the fastest creature on Earth.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
Oh, a stick!
What do you do after you throw a stick? What do you say?
Coronavirus.
Don't say coronavirus after you throw a stick. You obviously say... That's how 3-year-olds walk. The way to end this off is with a nice old ding-dong ditch. Right? Approaching the house, so let's go. Run! You got some mail. This is for Max. Good nature captain. See if you can guess what it is.